Hello everyone. So last week we made our value winter skies, and this week we're going to finish this project up by adding some snow and some hills and winter trees. So you'll need your painting that you made last week, the remainder of your white paint, a paintbrush, and a black oil pastel that was also sent home at the last supply pickup. So to start, I'm going to paint some snowy hills on my painting. You can use a pencil to draw some lines if you wanted to, or you can just go for it like I am. Since we are adding our hills over our blue paint, it might take a couple coats to cover it. It's also okay if we see some of that blue paint showing through. It kind of gives it that nighttime shadow effect, which is pretty cool. All right, so I think I'm going to keep it pretty simple with my hills. And I'm gonna add my snow now. If you wanted this to be a little bit darker, not so transparent, let it dry and then do another coat of the paint. It'll cover up a little bit easier that way. All right, so for the snow, I'm gonna use the back of my paintbrush and that white paint again, and I'm just gonna dot my snow all around the painting. You can do as much snow as you want. I think I want my painting to look like a really slow, light snowfall, so I'm going to stop there. Okay, and now at this point, I would suggest that you guys let this dry and then come back to it to do the trees. I'm going to attempt to at least show you one tree right now. So in the winter, our trees are bare, there's no leaves on them, and that's what we're trying to create, a nice winter scene. So I'm gonna kind of draw a silhouette. It's nighttime, and we're looking at the silhouette of a tree. It's gonna get a little tricky around my snow here, but I just want to show you a little bit. You'll just go ahead and let this dry, and then you can go right over the snow when you draw your tree. So something else that you could do if you wanted to is draw some silhouettes of winter animals on the hills, like bunnies and deer. And I think I'll do a few more trees here, but I'm not gonna do that right now because it's just kind of tricky with this wet paint. So that's it for this week. You're gonna add your snowy hills, you're gonna add your snow and some winter trees and maybe some silhouettes of animals if you want to. And that's it. I can't wait to see these. I know you guys have been working hard on this, and I'm excited to see your finished work. Have a great week, you guys.